Good morning students. In our previous class we started the solution unit and we also discussed about what is the solution, solute, solvent and the types of the solution. Today we are going to discuss about the methods of expressing concentration. Today we are going to discuss about the methods of expressing concentration. Before going to discuss about the methods, first we are discuss about the what is concentration. Concentration is nothing but the amount of the solute present in a given volume of the solution. How much amount of the solute is present in a given volume of the solution is called concentration. The concentration of the solution can be expressed by the two different methods. One is the qualitative method, another one is the quantitative method. The concentration of the solution can be expressed by the two methods, qualitative method and quantitative methods. As for qualitative methods, we can say solution is diluted or concentrated. As for qualitative methods, we can say the solution is diluted or concentrated. Diluted solution means less quantity of the solute present in a given volume of the solution, that is called dilute solution. Large quantity of the solute present in a given volume of the solution, that is called concentrated solution. Dilute solution means less quantity of the solute is present in the solution. Large quantity of the solute is present in the solution is known as the concentration of the solution. Concentrated solution. If we know the concentration of the solution, that solution is known as the standard solution. If any solution concentration we know, that is known as the standard solution. This qualitative method not gives the how much exact amount of the solute is dissolved in the given volume of the solution. We say the less quantity or large quantity, but we not accurate amount of the solute dissolved in the given volume of the solution is not prescribed by the qualitative method. Then we can use the another alternative method, that is the quantitative method. Different type of the quantitative methods can be used to describe the concentration of the solution. Those are some physical methods, some are the chemical method. Different type of the quantitative methods are used to describe the concentration of the solution. Some are the physical method, other are chemical methods. First we are going to discuss about the physical methods. In that one, first one is the mass percentage. It is indicated by the W by W percentage. Mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. Mass percentage is indicated by the W by W percentage. W by W percentage is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. For example, 10 gram of the glucose in water by mass means 10 grams of the glucose dissolved in the 90 grams of the water to make the 100 grams of the solution. Commercially using bleaching is a solution that contains the 3.62 grams of the sodium hypochlorite in water by mass. Any substance that is given by the W by W percentage is equal to the mass percentage of the solution. Mass percentage W by W is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. Next, second one is the value percentage. Value percentage indicated by the V by V percentage. V by V percentage is equal to volume of the solute by volume of the solution into 100. For example, 10% ethanol in water solution means 10 ml of the ethanol is dissolved in the 90 ml of the water to make the 100 ml of the solution. For example, 35% V by V of the ethylene glycol is used as a antifreeze used for the cooling of the engines. Okay, these are the value percentage. Next, third one is mass to value percentage indicated by the W by V percentage. W by V percentage is equal to mass of the solute by volume of the solution into 100. Okay, this is the third one. This mass to value percentage method is mainly used in medicine and pharmacy. And fourth one is the parts per million. It is indicated by the ppm. Whenever a small traces of the solute is present in a large volume of the solution, we can use the parts per million. For example, the pollutants are present in the atmosphere. The amount of the oxygen or carbon dioxide dissolved in the oceans can be expressed in ppm methods. ppm is equal to ppm is parts per million can be described can be defined as number of parts of the solute by total number of parts of the solution into 10 to the power of the 6. This is the fourth physical method, that is the parts per million. Okay. These are the qualitative methods that one we have discussed about the physical method. First one is the mass percentage, second one is value percentage, third one is the mass to value percent, fourth one is the parts per million. Okay, you students, you can also read these four types of the methods in our textbook. Thank you, students.